Tuvalu is an island country. It is therefore classified among countries whose territory consists of one or more islands, or parts of islands. It is a unique nation situated in the heart of the South Pacific Ocean, set apart by its unusual geographic form. Instead of being one unified landmass, Tuvalu consists of 9 separate islands, scattered across a vast area of 640 kilometers. It is also considered a mini or microstate, a term given to a sovereign state having a very small population or very small land area, usually both. Its flag has the British United Kingdom's flag in it, indicating clearly that it is part of the British Commonwealth. The 9 yellow stars represent its 9 islands, while the light blue could be a representation of the ocean. Tuvalu is a constitutional monarchy with, as of fall 2023, King Charles III as King of Tuvalu. Kauzia Natano as Prime Minister, and Sir Tofiga Vaivalu Falani as Governor General. Tuvalu is situated midway between Hawaii and Australia, in the very middle of Pacific Ocean waters. It is part of the Polynesia region of Oceania, which is comprised of multiple islands and island states. Here's a more zoomed-in capture of the map to see closely how that looks, and now we will be zooming even further. As we said earlier, 9 total islands constitute the territory of this island country. Listed from top to bottom, as you see them on both the map and the side note, these 9 islands are Nanumea, Niutau, Nanumanga, Nui, Vaitupu, Nukufatau, Funafuti, Nukulaelai, and Niulakita. As of 2021, Tuvalu's population was estimated at 11,900 people, living across an area of 26 square kilometers. Tuvalu's population has been Polynesian since the dawn of time, and even today it still is, with an overwhelming percentage of 96%. They used Polynesian navigation for thousands of years to enable long voyages across thousands of kilometers of the open Pacific Ocean. They frequently voyaged by canoe between the islands, a type of lightweight narrow boat or bark, typically pointed at both ends and open on top, propelled by one or more seated or kneeling paddlers facing the direction of travel and using paddles. Tuvalu's landmass, consisting of 9 islands, is scattered across 640 kilometers. 6 of those islands are atolls, and 3 are normal islands. And now, here are closer and full pictures of all the 9 islands. Number 1. Nanumea. Number 2. Niutau. Number 3. Nanumanga. Number 4. Nui. Number 5. Vaitupu. Number 6. Nukufatau. Number 7. Funafuti. Number 8. Nukulalai. And finally, number 9. Niulakita. Well, this was it for today's video. If you want more cool content, you can watch the video appearing on the screen. You can also subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever the latest new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.